Norton theorem. Now connect circuit as per the given diagram according to this circuit and find out the current through 47 ohm resistance, which is load resistance. Now draw the circuit as per the circuit. Positive of supply connect with 100 ohm resistance. Now connect it. This is positive. Apply this to 100 ohm resistance. And now connect 100 ohm resistance and 47 ohm resistance to 100 ohm resistance. Now connect load resistance with 47 ohm resistance. Now connect ammeter series with 47 ohm load resistance. And now connect ammeter negative and 100 ohm resistance with battery negative. Now switch on the supply. Now adjust input voltage. Six volt. Now the load current is 20.79 milliampere. Now as per Norton theorem, redraw the circuit and find out the load current. But due to inavailability of current source, we use voltage source convert to current source. So a variable supply with series resistance connect and set this current to ISC. So we find out ISC, we need to short circuit the load resistance and find out current ISC. Now remove the load resistance and short circuit it. Now short circuited. Now the current displaying is ISC short circuit current, which is 30.369 milliampere. Now find out Rn. To find Rn, we need to connect all the supply with internal resistance, short circuit all voltage and open circuited all current. So now we open the circuit, input supply and short circuit it. And measure the resistance across these terminal. Now this is showing 98.5 ohm resistance, which is which is Rn or Norton resistance, or also known as internal resistance of circuit. Now draw this circuit according to given value. ISC is 30.68 milliampere and RN is 97.8 ohm. Now redraw the circuit and verify the Norton theorem. We use any value resistance here. Apply positive to this. And now connect ammeter, which is ISC. Now connect 97.8 or equivalent to 100 ohm and 47 parallel. And a ammeter series with load resistance. We are using two ammeter. First one, this is ISC displaying and this is load current displaying. This is ISC and this is load current. Now we adjust this ISC to 30.68. To adjust this, we vary input voltage. 30.68. Now the second ammeter is displaying load current, which is 20.60. Now the Norton equivalent current and the load current which is find initially is nearby same. So we have proven that Norton theorem in